I've bought and tested these permanent magnet generators so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've gone through the details, the specs, and even put them to the test in real-world situations. If you're looking for reliable power solutions, stick around as I break down the top 5 options.
Product number 2. Permanent Magnet Alternator Generator 1500 watts. The EOD SAD Permanent Magnet Alternator Generator, and this one caught my eye for its self-powered capabilities. I tested it during a camping trip where access to electricity was limited. The generator operates at 14V and can deliver up to 1500 watts, which was perfect for powering lights and charging my devices. The built-in voltage stabilizer was a game changer, ensuring that my gadgets received consistent power without any fluctuations. I was pleasantly surprised at how compact and lightweight it was, weighing only 4.77 pounds, making it easy to transport. The pure copper material used in the generator not only improves conductivity but also adds to its durability. One feature that stood out was the ability to use it for both AC and DC applications, which gives it versatile utility. However, I did notice that while it performed well for low-demand items, you might need multiple units for more power-hungry appliances. In terms of why you should buy it, if you're looking for a reliable and portable solution for camping or emergency residential use, this generator is worth considering. Its effectiveness in providing power on the go makes it a solid investment.
Product number 3. 3500 watt 220 volt permanent magnet generator. Moving on to the Oleneto 3500 watt permanent magnet generator, this beast is designed for those who need serious power. I used it to back up my home during a recent storm, and I was blown away by its performance. This generator is brushless, which means less maintenance and a longer lifespan. The pure copper coil winding ensures excellent conductivity, reducing energy loss and maximizing efficiency. The design is compact yet powerful, making it suitable for residential use, even in limited spaces. During my tests, it powered my refrigerator and lights without a hitch, proving its capabilities. One of the standout features was how quiet it operated. Even while powering multiple appliances, the noise level was surprisingly low, which is a big plus for home environments. However, it's worth noting that it can be a bit heavy, so you'll want to consider where you plan to store it. In terms of buying this generator, if you need a reliable backup power source that can handle your essential household appliances, this is definitely a solid contender. Its balance of power, efficiency, and low noise makes it a great choice for anyone looking for home backup solutions. Product number 4. 2000W Permanent Magnet Generator. The VQP 2000W Permanent Magnet Generator is next on our list, and I found this generator to be incredibly user-friendly. Designed for commercial use, I put it through its paces in a small workshop setting. The generator boasts a rated power of 2000W at 4000 RPM, which means it can deliver consistent power for various tools and lighting. I paired it with some power tools, and the results were impressive. The brushless design significantly reduced resistance and heat generation, which I appreciated during extended use. The double-ended design enhances stability, ensuring that it doesn't wobble or vibrate excessively during operation. However, it's important to note that it isn't designed for larger vehicles, which could limit its appeal for some users. If you're looking for something lightweight and portable, this generator weighs in at just 6.6 pounds, making it easy to transport. So why buy this generator? If you need a reliable and efficient power source for commercial applications, this generator delivers on all fronts. Its blend of power, portability, and user-friendly design makes it a worthwhile investment.
Product number 5. Permanent Magnet Alternator Generator 1200 watt. We have the VQP Permanent Magnet Alternator Generator, a 1200 watt option that's ideal for those looking to harness wind power. I tested this generator with a small wind turbine setup, and the results were fantastic. The versatility it offers, functioning for both charging and lighting, makes it a great choice for agricultural vehicles and remote applications. The built-in voltage stabilizer ensures that the output remains consistent, which is crucial for sensitive electronic devices. I was impressed by the generator's durable aluminum shell, which can withstand impacts while keeping the overall weight down to 5.99 pounds. The wiring process was straightforward, allowing me to connect it quickly and get it up and running without hassle. However, you may find that its performance is best suited for lower RPM applications. If you're in the market for a wind-powered solution, this generator is a fantastic option. Its combination of efficiency, durability, and ease of use makes it a smart choice for anyone looking to go green and maximize energy output.
In conclusion, whether you need something for DIY projects, emergency backup, or even wind power applications, these top 5 permanent magnet generators have you covered. Each one brings unique features that cater to different needs. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision. Don't waste your money, choose wisely.